Good morning, Junior 5. How are you? This is our new lesson, okay? This is addition and subtraction by using the number line. Addition and subtraction by using the number line. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. I know that the result will be 2, but I want the result by using the number line, okay? So, at the first, I will stand on 7. I will stand on 7. And then backward, backward, 5 steps, backward, 5 steps. So I will stand on 7 and backward 7 steps, 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 7 minus 5, it will be equal 2. Yes, it will be equal 2. The second one, 6 minus 6. I know that the result will be 0, but I want the result by using the number line. So at the first, I will stand on 6 and backward 6 steps. Stand on 6 and backward 6 steps. It's the first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 minus 6. If you backward 6 steps, you will get 0. Yes. In here, 3 plus 5 minus 1. At the first, stand on what? Stand on 3. 3 and then add 5. So I will start from 3 and then I will add 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will get 8. If I make subtraction from 8, if I subtract 1 from 8, subtract 1 from 8, it means that I will make backward 1 step. This is a backward 1 step. 8 backward 1 step, it will be 7. So the result in here will be 7. In here question, 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15. I will divide my number line into fives, okay? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40, okay? But I will stand on 35. I will stand on 35 and backward how many steps? He said me 15. Yes, he said me 15. 35 minus 15, it will be equal, stand on 35 and backward 3 5s, okay? Adi 1, 2, and 3. So the result will be what? Yes, the result will be 20. This is the addition and subtraction by using what? By using the number line. This question in your booklet, page 13, it's for you, okay? 42 minus 35. 42 minus 35. Make it on the number line and find the result. In here, find the result. 12 minus 5 minus 2. At the first, you must solve the number between brackets, okay? At the first, you must solve the number between brackets. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Okay, 27 minus 7 equals 20. At the first, we must solve the bracket. When you see bracket, start with the bracket. 20 minus 5 equals 15. Okay, this two for you. Okay, lesson 4. Talk about operation on natural numbers, addition operation and subtraction operation. This is the first lesson of operation. Okay, there are 4 properties for addition and we must memorize them. Okay, the first property of addition is the closure property. What is the meaning of closure property? If I give you 5 plus 9, it will be equal what? Yes, 5 plus 9, it will be equal 14. I know that 5 is belong to n and 9 also belong to n. So the result must be belong to n, okay? 5 belong to n, 9 belong to n, 14 also is belong to n. Another example, 12 plus 8. I know that 12 belong to n, 8 belong to n, so the result must be also belong to n. This is a closure property. Closure property means that the sum of any two natural number is a natural number also. The sum means the addition of any two natural number, the addition of any two natural number, it will be also a natural number. This is a closure property. This is a closure property. The second one, commutative property. Commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? If I give you 8 plus 2, it will be equal what? Yes, it will be equal 10. Also, if I said 2 plus 8, it will be also equal 10. So, order doesn't change the value. Order doesn't change the value. This is a commutative property. Okay? Interchange doesn't affect the sum. If you change the order, it doesn't affect the sum or the result. The third one is associative property. Associative property. What is the meaning of associative property? This example, 2 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 2 plus 4 plus 5. And so what? If I take 2 and 4 in a bracket, in the first one, and take 4 and 5 in a bracket, okay, I will get the same result. This is associative property. Associative property means if you take any two numbers together, the result doesn't affect, okay? 2 plus 4 equals 6 plus 5. In here, I will drop down 2 and 4 plus 5 will be equal 9. In here, 6 plus 5 equal 11 and 2 plus 9 also equal 11. So, in addition, we can group numbers in any way and the result will be the same. We can take a group of number in any way. Maybe take the first and the second, and maybe take the second and the third. And the result doesn't change. This is the third property. It's called associative property or associative property. Both are right, associative or associative. Okay, the fourth one, the existence of an additive neutral or additive identity. Additive neutral or additive identity. What is the meaning of additive identity? Identity or additive neutral. This is the zero. If he asks you what is the additive neutral in the natural number, you will say 0 is the additive identity or 0 is the additive neutral. Okay? If I put 0 at the first plus 5, it will be equal also 5. 5 plus 0 equal 5 and 0 plus 5 equal 5. The natural number doesn't change if we add 0 to it. The natural number 5 doesn't change. Yes, it doesn't change if you add 0 to it. And 0 called the additive neutral or additive identity. Additive neutral or additive identity, okay? And here he wanted to write the correct property. He wanted to write the correct property. 65 plus 874 equal 874 plus 65. What did he do? He make change the first be the second and the second be the first. This Property called what? Yes, it's called commutative property. In here, I will put brackets here, okay? I will put bracket here. Cancel this bracket. Okay, thank you. 128 plus 365 plus 12. I take the first and the second, and then I take the second and the third. This called associative property, okay? This called associative property. In here, 5 plus 0 equals 0 plus 5. What is this property? Yes, it's additive identity. Additive identity. Number 4, 35 plus 47 plus 31 equal 35 plus 47 plus 31. But in here, I take the second and the third, and then I take the first and the second. It called what? Yes, it called associative property. The last one, 9 plus 10 equals 19. 9 belong to n. 10 belong to n. 19 also belong to n. So the final result will be 19. It's a closure property. Okay, it's a closure property. In here, I want to use the properties of addition to find the result. I want to use the properties of addition to find the result in your booklet, page 12. 55 plus 28 plus 45 plus 72. I will make what? I will search for component. I will search for component. What is the meaning of components? Components means the number that make 10. Component of 10. Components of 10. The numbers that make 10. It means 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, okay, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, and 5 plus 5. This is the component of 10. I search about the component in units place, okay? In here, 55 plus 28 plus 45 plus 72. I search about the component. Start with 5, and in here start with 5, so I will make a change between 28 and 45. Okay, I will bring 45 instead on 28 and 28 instead on 45 to be what? To be 55 plus 45 plus 28 plus 72. This property is called what? Yes, commutative property. And then I will take 55 with 45 and 28 with 72 between bracket. This is the associative property. And then make addition between the two numbers, and in here between the two numbers I will get 100 plus 100. It will be equal 200. 100 belong to n, 100 belong to n, 200 also belong to n, so this property called closure property. Okay, the second one, 672 plus 665 plus 335 plus 328. I search for the component of 10. The component of 10. What is the component of 10? 2 in units with 8 in units. 5 in units with 5 in units. So I will make a change between 328 and 665. Okay, I will get 300 next to 672. to be 672, 328, and 665 and 335. This property called commutative. Yes, excellent. Then I will take the first two and the second two in brackets. I will take the first two numbers with a bracket and the third and the fourth in a bracket, and this property called associative. Yes, excellent. And then I will make addition between the numbers. 672 plus 328 equals 1000. Excellent. And 665 plus 335 equals also 1000. So the result will be 2000. And this property called a closure property. Okay, this is closure property. 1000 belong to n, 1000 belong to n, 2000 also belong to n, so this is a closure property. Properties of addition help us to solve the problems in an easy way. Okay, property help us to solve the problems. Okay, this one is for you. This is homework. Okay, you will search about the components of 10. Okay, I can solve the first 12, 45, 88, 73, 55, 27. I will take what? I will take 12 with 88. This is start with 2 and this is start with 8. And I will take 45 with, yes, with 55. Excellent. Why? It's start with 5 and it's start with 5. And then I will take 73 with 27 because it's start with 7 and it's start with 3. And then make associative between each two and get the result. Thank you, Junior 5. See you next time and goodbye.